The world of robotics is evolving faster than ever before, and once again, Elon Musk has pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Recent leaks surrounding Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, have sent shockwaves across the tech community. These revelations suggest that Tesla's humanoid robot is no longer just a futuristic concept, but a rapidly advancing reality that could reshape industries, homes, and even human lifestyles. At first glance, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 appears similar to its predecessors, but the real story lies beneath its sleek exterior. According to insiders, the Gen 3 version has undergone massive upgrades in artificial intelligence, physical dexterity, and real-world adaptability. These improvements could mark a turning point not just for Tesla, but for the entire robotics industry. One of the most talked-about features in the leak is the robot's enhanced neural network, reportedly powered by technology derived from Tesla's full self-driving system. This means that the bot doesn't just follow programmed instructions, it learns, adapts, and improves over time. Much like Tesla cars learn from millions of miles driven, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 can gather data from real-world interactions, making it smarter with every task it performs. Imagine a robot that can walk into a new environment and immediately begin understanding it, identifying objects, predicting movements, and adjusting its actions accordingly. This level of intelligence brings us closer to true artificial general intelligence, AGI, something Elon Musk has often spoken about as both a goal and a responsibility. Another major breakthrough revealed in the leak is the bot's physical capabilities. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is said to have significantly improved balance and coordination, allowing it to perform complex tasks that were previously impossible for humanoid robots. From handling delicacies, objects like glassware, to lifting heavier loads in industrial settings, the robot's versatility has expanded dramatically. This is made possible by a new actuator system and improved joint design, giving the robot smoother and more human-like movements. Observers who have reportedly seen early demonstrations claim that the Gen 3 moves with a level of fluidity that blurs the line between machine and human motion. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its potential real-world applications. According to the leaks, Tesla is focusing heavily on practical use cases rather than just showcasing futuristic demos. This means the robot is being trained to perform tasks such as cooking, cleaning, organizing, and even assisting in elderly care. In factories, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 could revolutionize production lines by taking over repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which are often fixed in place and limited in function, Optimus can move freely and adapt to different roles. This flexibility could significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency for manufacturers. At home, the impact could be even more profound. A humanoid robot capable of handling daily chores would free up time for millions of people around the world. Tasks like doing laundry, washing dishes, or even preparing meals could become automated, allowing individuals to focus on more meaningful activities. The leak also suggests that Tesla is working on making the bot more socially aware. This includes improvements in voice recognition, facial recognition, and emotional understanding. While it may not fully replicate human emotions, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is designed to interact in a way that feels natural and intuitive. For example, it could recognize when someone is tired or stressed and adjust its behavior accordingly, perhaps by speaking more softly or offering assistance without being asked. This level of interaction could make the robot feel less like a machine and more like a helpful companion. Of course, with such powerful technology comes important questions and concerns. Elon Musk himself has often warned about the potential risks of advanced AI. The development of humanoid robots that can think and act independently raises ethical and safety considerations that cannot be ignored. Tesla appears to be aware of these concerns and is reportedly implementing strict safety protocols in the Tesla Bot Gen 3. These include limitations on strength, built-in fail-safes, and constant monitoring to ensure the robot operates within safe parameters. The goal is to create a system that is both powerful and trustworthy. Another fascinating detail from the leak is the potential cost of the Tesla Bot Gen 3. While earlier versions were expected to be expensive, Tesla is aiming to bring the price down significantly through mass production. Elon Musk has hinted that the robot could eventually cost less than a car, making it accessible to a much wider audience. If this becomes a reality, it could trigger a massive shift in the global economy. Entire industries could be transformed as businesses adopt humanoid robots to improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. At the same time, new opportunities could emerge in robotics maintenance, AI training, and human-robot collaboration. Educatio is another area that could benefit from this technology. Imagine students learning alongside intelligent robots that can provide personalized guidance and support. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 could act as a tutor, helping individuals learn new skills at their own pace. Healthcare is yet another field where the impact could be enormous. From assisting doctors and nurses to providing care for patients at home, humanoid robots could help address shortages in medical staff and improve the quality of care. The ability to monitor patients, deliver medication, and respond to emergencies could save countless lives. Despite all these possibilities, it's important to remain grounded in reality. While the leaks paint an exciting picture, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is still in development. There are many challenges that need to be overcome before it can be widely deployed. These include improving battery life, ensuring reliability, and refining the AI to handle complex and unpredictable situations. However, if Tesla's track record is anything to go by, these challenges are likely to be addressed over time. One thing is clear: the Tesla Bot Gen 3 represents a significant step forward in the journey toward a more automated and intelligent world. Whether it's in homes, factories, or hospitals, the potential applications are vast and far-reaching. Elon Musk has always been known for his ambitious vision, and the Tesla Bot is no exception. By combining advanced AI with cutting-edge robotics, Tesla is aiming to create a product that could change the way we live and work. As more details continue to emerge, the excitement surrounding the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is only expected to grow. If the leaks are even partially accurate, we could be witnessing the beginning of a new era, one where humanoid robots become an integral part of everyday life. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is shaping up to be one of the most groundbreaking technological advancements of our time. With its enhanced intelligence, improved physical capabilities, and wide range of applications, it has the potential to transform industries and redefine what it means to interact with machines. The question is no longer whether humanoid robots will become a reality. It's how soon they will become a part of our daily lives. And if Elon Musk and Tesla have their way, that future might be closer than we think.